Hi, I'm Madison, Enablement Manager at Builder. In this video, we're going to explore Builder's Asset Library, a powerful tool that helps you organize and manage all your digital assets in one place, seamlessly using them in your content. Whether you're working with images, videos, or other media files, the Asset Library streamlines your workflow and makes collaboration easier. Let's get started. The Asset Library is your central repository for all media assets used across your Builder projects. It provides a structured way to upload, organize, search, and manage files, making it easier to find and reuse assets across multiple content entries. You can access the Asset Library in two ways: directly through the Assets tab in the main Builder menu, and when adding media through the content blocks like image or video, or the field of a data model. Let's start with the basics, adding content to your library. You can upload individual files or multiple assets at once with bulk upload. Builder supports various file formats, including images like JPEG, PNG, and WebP, videos, and more. While in the Asset Library, simply click Upload Files and select the files you want to import. Now they're in your library, ready to use. Keep in mind that serving these assets to your site visitors does count towards your contract's bandwidth allocation. But unless you're trying to serve countless videos with hundreds of thousands of views each, our allocations are pretty generous. Next, let's look at the metadata Builder supports for your assets. Name, which is used in the Asset Library and Visual Editor UIs, like here and here. Folder, for organizing your content, more on that in a bit. Alt text and title, for accessibility and SEO. This pre-fills the appropriate value of the image block component when the asset is selected. You can always change it later. Title will appear as a tooltip when users hover over the asset on your published page. And SEO-friendly URL. Uploaded assets are given an automatically generated alphanumeric name when uploaded. That looks like this. With this feature, you can append an SEO-friendly path to your asset URL. However, this is a one-time option and cannot be changed once set. An important note: updating these values in the Asset Manager will only apply to assets selected moving forward and will not retroactively update existing content. To keep your assets organized, you can group your content into folders. In the Asset Library, click New Folder. Name your folder based on your organizational needs. Click Create. You might organize folders based by campaign, department, content type, or whatever system works for your team. You can also create subfolders. Click New Folder again, give your subfolder a name, and select the parent folder from the drop-down menu. Click Create. This hierarchical structure helps maintain order as your asset library grows. Moving images into a folder is simple. Just select the folder from the edit modal on a given asset. Don't forget to save. This makes it easy to reorganize as your project needs evolve. To clean up your library, select the folder you want to delete, click the trash icon, and confirm deletion. Note: deleting a folder will not delete the underlying assets, however. For technical team members, Builder offers an upload API that enables programmatic asset management. This API allows for bulk uploading assets, automated asset organization, and integration with other content systems. This is particularly useful for large migrations or complex content operations. For complete documentation, you can visit our docs. While it's not the topic of this video, it's worth noting that when you use the image block in the visual editor for assets from your asset library, Builder uses sensible defaults and automatically creates source sets for quality and performance, ensuring fast load times for your users on every device. Additionally, with our Image API, you have full control over the size, quality, and image format if needed. Learn more on our Working with Images page. Lastly, if Builder's Asset Manager features don't meet your unique enterprise needs, Builder has a few plugin integrations with popular DAMs like Cloudinary and Binder, and our plugin infrastructure allows for developing your own integrations as well. but these topics are beyond the scope of this video. If your team uses Builder's Environments feature, it's important to note that asset and folder management must be done in the main environment. Any changes you make to folders in the main environment will automatically sync to your child environments, ensuring consistent organization across your workflow. Builder provides shortcuts to upload assets while in an environment, but currently the user must also be added to the main space in order to do so. The asset library is more than just storage. It's a tool that can improve your team's efficiency and content quality when used effectively. By implementing good organization practices and leveraging our metadata, you'll create a more streamlined workflow for everyone on your team. Thanks for watching, and happy building!